What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, your boy LG, and today, as you can see in front of us, I have laying before you the ARacer 5. This is about to be a heavily featured device on this channel, as I will be upgrading Ruthie, and I want to be your centralized zone for as many tech tips as I can give you. I'm not the biggest guy into tuning. I'm new to this world, as far as you can see. Just started my channel last year, but I wanted to come out here as an amateur in the world and show you what this is capable of if you, as a lover of these 125 bikes, go out and purchase it as well. So here we are. First thing I think is a great idea is to get an outline of how this thing is set up and how it's supposed to wire up before you even get out there to the bike. So let's get into exactly what comes with the ARacer 5 and the AF1 wideband air fuel module. So let's get into it. So first off, the ARacer 5 is actually plug and play. So if you pick it up, you're going to get this module here, and pretty much you find your old ECU, you plug it in, it comes with the blink unit for your Bluetooth. Plain and simple. You plug it in, you hook it up, you can fire your bike up, you sync it up with the Bluetooth, the instructions come with it, it explains it. That part's very simple. Doesn't start to get confusing until you want to set up your wideband sensor and you need the splitter and knowing how this operates. So we'll get into this now. So when you get your instructions, there are actually going to be 3 ways that you can set this up, and 2 of which, if anybody out there has any advice on why you would ever want to set it up those other ways, let me know. The one they do title, they call it engine calibration by engineer, which it just hooks directly to the battery and is always on, and you have to remember to turn it off. Number 2 is end user installation, which it runs to a switch, which I understand why you can use it, but these 2 modules don't seem like they're ran with an ECU unless you can run them with the stock ECU. So if anybody has any further information they can provide, definitely comment down below. I greatly appreciate it, especially anyone who watches the video will also be able to, pick up on this information. But what we're going to be doing is number 3, which is with the ARacer ECU. Essentially, it wires up straight to the ECU, so when you power on the bike, it powers on the AF1 module, and once everything gets up to temperature, it starts to run. So let's get into how that wires into all of this assembly here. So like I said, the ARacer essentially is plug and play. You would get this. So now we're adding more to it. You buy your 4-to-1 harness here. So now that you have your 4-to-1, we're plugging in here. So your ARacer runs out, and then you have a 4-pin connector that goes to your AF1 module. From there, your AF1 module runs to the O2 wideband sensor, plugs in here. Essentially, these 2 wires, or this wire, would be used if you were doing one of the other modules. This will go to the battery. So I believe once it's all set up, I'll unplug this and tuck it away somewhere. We'll find out along the install process. This is the other wire, I believe, where you would just wire it straight to the battery. Anyway, we're not setting it up that way, so I'm not too bothered with it. We'll get this out of here so not to confuse you. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Like I said, getting acclimated with how everything should be set up when it is in your bike. This is your ECU. Your blink module now gets plugged into one of these, running to your AFI. You know this has to go into your exhaust. This we tuck away, and there you have it. You should be installed at that point. Not much more to say in this video. I just wanted you to get a broad idea of how it can be set up. Once again, if anybody has any further information on those other methods to set this up, and when you would use those, definitely comment down below, please. I would greatly appreciate it, and I'm sure anyone who watches will. I'm going to wrap this video up, guys. I appreciate you tuning in. Like I said, we're getting set up here to install this into Ruthie. Next video I bring you should be the installation, and we're going to do this step by step too. So the first installation I'm actually going to do for you guys, I'm going to do just like any old Joe Schmo would do if you were to buy this. Boom, we're going to put this in, we're going to hook up to the phone. We're going to see what we can see. We're going to, see what happens if you were to just take a partially modded Z125 intake, exhaust, and throw this in her. Might do a ride around, do some picture-in-picture with everything showing up on the app, just so you can see what it's about. But yeah, we're going to install this. Then once my exhaust comes in, we'll install the rest of this. But until next time, guys, I'm your boy Alec G, and stay tuned for more information on the ARacer Mini 5.